Hi, this is the OPPO A18 and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from Power Key button on this device. So first open the settings app and then tap to the special features to the additional settings. Tap the power button and click power, press and hold power button to activate Google Assistant from power key. Switch power menu to voice assistant, and now let's hold for a while the power key button. So just to turn off your device you should press now power up and power button and volume up button. So let's just press power key once again and we could see that the Google Assistant successfully enabled. If you want to unlink Google Assistant from power key, you should switch voice assistant to power menu. Saying thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.